From tattoos to human enhancement, mankind has developed some state of the art technologies. One such technology is a potential life saving tattoo sensor. Technically called the skin conformal tattoo sensor, it acts as a sensor to monitor vital health parameters like pulse rate, respiration rate, and it's done without the use of any conventional medical devices. This tattoo sensor follows easy fabrication steps and can be patterned into any shape and size using a laser. Dr. Saurabh Kumar and his team from the Center for Nanoscience and Engineering at Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru, are currently working on this technology of variable sensors that retract information from the skin. They have also fabricated a skin conformal tattoo sensor about 20 micrometer thick. So let's hear it from Dr. Saurabh Kumar himself.
Do you know our largest organ in our body is the skin, and it stores lots of information, and we can retract this information and use it for major vital signal from our body. So in our recent work, which is we called skin conformal tattoo sensor, is used to measure pulse rate, respiration rate, and surface myography. Surface myography means you can measure different stress or different movement on skin. This is very thin, lightweight, and you can wear it on any body part, and this is hardly recognizable, means this is like a tattoo, very thin, so if you mount over the body, people cannot recognize very easily. So in this way, this sensor has a lots of potential to retract the information. But why we need a skin sensor? Because our human body is curvilinear, means our body is not plain or flat, but electronics devices are rigid. So we need some devices that can mount over the body, and especially to retract information from our skin, we need a skin-like sensor, so it can integrate easily with our skin, and we can retract lots of parameters. So as I discussed, we need some smart sensor, and sensor is based on some transducer material, right? So in our case, we use TI3C2 magazine to fabricate a skin conformal sensor. So this material is very highly conducting, and it can change their resistance on small stress, and these stress in our skin present at different location and at different condition.
The sensor this team is working on is based on a piezoresistive effect, which simply means there will be change in resistance when mechanical strain is applied. So in this case, the sensor is mounted on the skin where maximum pulse is felt during stress. So when the stress is applied to the sensor, there is change in resistance, resulting in change of electrical signal, and this gives the user the information about the number of pulse per minute. Similarly, this sensor is also used to detect the respiration and muscle movement. And also the good news is that these sensors do not interfere with the daily activities of the user, thus enabling continuous monitoring of vital signs like pulse rate, respiration rate, UV rays exposure, skin hydration level, glucose monitoring, and so on. The team is also working towards integrating skin sensors using wireless communication with an electronic circuit that could interface with certain smart devices. So, when medical innovations like these are integrated with technology, it provides quality healthcare that is reliable and easily accessible to all patients, thus improving the standard of healthcare in India. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.